Acne-prone skin, the problem, causes, and nutritional solution. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by the presence of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads on the face, neck, chest, and back. It not only impacts physical appearance but also has psychological and emotional consequences. Addressing acne-prone skin is important as it can lead to low self-esteem, social anxiety, and even depression. Leading factors: acne occurs when the hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells. Factors that contribute to the development of acne include hormonal imbalances, poor diet, genetics, and environmental factors. Hormonal imbalances, especially during puberty, can trigger excessive oil production. Certain foods in your diet, such as high glycemic index carbohydrates and dairy products, play a crucial role in acne formation. Environmental factors like pollution and stress can also exacerbate the problem. It can also be exacerbated by certain medications and skincare products. Nutritional solution: several nutrients have been found to be beneficial in addressing acne-prone skin, including vitamin A and E, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and probiotics. Vitamin A. Vitamin A helps regulate oil production, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin cell turnover. Incorporate foods high in vitamin A in your diet, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, liver, beef, chicken, pork, kale, broccoli, apricots, mangoes, cantaloupe, and eggs. Vitamin E. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can be obtained from food sources like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. Zinc is another essential nutrient that aids in reducing inflammation, helps regulate oil production, and boosts the immune system, which can be beneficial for those with acne-prone skin. Zinc-rich foods include oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, legumes, nuts, cashews, almonds, peanuts, whole grains, wheat, rice, oats, and dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties, improve acne symptoms, and are essential for overall health. It is commonly found in fatty fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, Brussels sprouts, and walnuts. Probiotics. Probiotics, which promote a healthy gut microbiome, have been shown to have a positive impact on acne. They can be obtained from fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir. It is also crucial to limit the consumption of high glycemic index carbohydrates, sugary foods, and dairy products, as they can exacerbate acne symptoms. Conclusion: acne-prone skin can be a frustrating problem, but adopting a nutritional approach can greatly improve its condition. It is important to note that while these foods are good sources of the mentioned nutrients, they may not be enough to meet the daily recommended intake. Therefore, taking a quality comprehensive supplement can provide you with a network of multivitamins, minerals, and trace elements. The well-balanced nutrition improves acne problem and support and overall well-being. In addition to dietary changes, maintaining a good skincare routine and managing stress levels are also important. Remember, healthy skin starts from within, and with the right nutrients and lifestyle choices, you can achieve a clearer, more radiant complexion.